Okay, this is a cool one. The class hopes to collect at least 425 cans of food. 425 or more. At least that many. So, there were 130 cans donated in the first week. So we say 130 from the first week. Plus, they got 85 more the second week. Okay? Plus, whatever they get in the third week, C represents the number of cans. We get some C, number of cans in the third week. And that amount, when we add the number of cans together from the first and second and the third week, we want it at the end of our food drive to be bigger than or equal to our goal. It's got to be at least 425. Can it be that? Sure. That's the least it can be, but it can be that. Or greater. So we want this to be greater than that amount or equal to. So that's the inequality that we have to write. 130 plus 85 plus C is greater than or equal to 425. And where do you see that? Well, I see it here as the first part of that, and I also see it as, I see it here as well. Okay, it's not going to be this one because this one has 425 on that side, and that plus that is going to go way above what we need to collect in the third week. Okay, so it's not going to be B. And also couldn't be this because it doesn't say or equals. Here, since it says at least that amount, it could be that amount. That's just the least it could be. So it could be equal to 425. So we have to have it or equals. So we're going to cross that off as well. Now, the question is, how many cans needed in the third week to meet or surpass our goal? Well, we have to hit 425, and we already have a bunch of cans right here. So we're not going to have to get even 425. So when I look at this one, I see that's suggesting that we have to get up to 640 cans. No way, that's not even close because our goal is only 425 and we already got some. So I can cross that one out. And then here, okay, well, let's just solve the inequality to see. I mean, we've eliminated choices because we know that they don't make sense. But let's just see what we get when we do the math. So, 130 plus 85 is 215 plus C greater than or equal to 425. We're just solving it. 215 minus 215. And we get C is greater than or equal to 210. That's the inequality that you want to see. Where do we see that? We see that there on C. So, correct answer is C. Fun, easy. I think that hopefully makes sense to you. If it doesn't, you can send me a message. Yeah.